Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is lesson 2. Today we will revise lesson 2. Let's start our class. We will do 2 exercises from this lesson. Now look, in your exam the exercise might come like this. Okay, let's read revision work lesson 2, and the first one is fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns in the brackets. And dear students, this is your homework. This is your homework also, homework number 16. All of you will do this exercise as your homework in your HW. Okay, now look, fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns in the brackets. So you will be given nouns in the brackets and you will fill up those fill in the blanks with the plural forms of those nouns. Okay, let's read the question at first, then we will write the answer. Number A, she plucked some dash from the tree in bracket apple. Number B, Prem bought 4, now again blanks and then in bracket toothbrush. So we will write the plural form and all of you try to remember the rules and what will be how will we make it plural. All of you try to remember it and I know all of you know the answer. Number C, there are 2 dash in the basket tomato. Number D, she carried boxes of dash to the market in bracket cherry. Number E, I filled water in all the dash in bracket glass. Number F, I gave some milk to the 3 dash in bracket puppy. Number G, the dash looked beautiful in bracket butterfly. Number H, he fixed 2 dash on the wall in bracket shelf. Now we will do this exercise and dear students, in your exam you will just write the answer only and all of you will mention the main question number. Now look, it's written here 1. There will be another question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this and you will mention the main question number. And now look, A, B, C, D, E, F, those are the sub question numbers. So all of you have to mention the main question number and the sub question number. Okay, otherwise marks will be deducted. And how will you write it? And you can write like this. You can write your answer to the question number 1, answer to the question number 1, or like this, answer to the question number 1. You can start like this or you can also write here answer 1. You can follow both ways and now we will write the sub number and then you will write your answer. And in your answer paper you don't need to pick up the question, you will just write the answer. So let's start with number A. Now look, number A, what is given here? Number A, what is given here? She plucked some dash from the tree and in bracket apples. And how will you make it plural? Yes, you all know that we will just add S to make it plural. So we will write here apple and then we will add S. So number A is done, apples, we make it plural. Now number B, Prem bought 4 and in blanks we will write the plural form of toothbrush. Now look at the word toothbrush, the word ends in SH and we all know that if the word ends in SH or double S or X, we will add ES to make it plural. So our answer will be the answer of number B will be toothbrushes. The toothbrushes. Then number C, there are 2 dash in the basket. So in blanks it will be tomato, that is plural form of the tomato, and we also know that if the word ends in O, we will add es to make it plural. So it will be tomatoes, M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. Now number D. And now look, number D, she carried boxes of dash to the market, and in bracket cherry. And now look at the word cherry. The word cherry ends with Y, and if the word ends with Y, we will we will drop Y and we will add IES to make it plural. So it will be, number D will be cherries, C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. Now cherries. Now we will go to number E. I filled water in all the dash and in bracket glasses. Now look at the word glass. So it ends in double S, SS. So we will add ES to make it plural. So number E will be glasses. Now the word glass, and we will add ES to make it plural. Now we will go to number F. I gave some milk to the 3 dash puppy. So the word puppy ends with Y. So just like number D, cherry, we will drop Y and we will add IS to make it plural. So number F will be P-U-P-P-I-E-S, puppies. Now number G, the dash look beautiful, and in bracket butterfly. Just like the previous one, just like D, F, we will drop I and we will add IES to make it plural. So our plural will be butterflies, and the spelling will be B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Now F-L, now we will drop Y and we will add I, and to make it plural we will add ES. Now number H. Now look, he fixed 2 dash on the wall, and in bracket it is given here shelf. And now look at the word. We all know that if the word ends with F or FE, we drop F or FE and then we add VES to make the noun plural. So he fixed 2 shelves. So at first we will write SHEL. Now the noun ends with F, so we will drop F and then we will add VES to make it plural. So 8 shelves. So number A, apples. Number B, toothbrushes. Number C, tomatoes. Number D, cherries. Number E, glasses. Number F, puppies. Number G, butterflies. Number H, shells. So if this question come in your exam, you will do this exercise like this. You will just write the answer, and of course you must mention the main question number 1. You can follow these 2 ways, this one or this one, and you must mention the sub question number. Be careful about it. And now we will go to our next question. Question number 2. Change the underlined nouns to their singular or plural forms. In your book it is exercise number 5 from lesson 2. Change the underlined nouns to their singular or plural forms. So there are some underlined nouns, either they are singular or plural. Now we will change it. If the noun is given in singular form, we will change it to plural form, and if the noun is given in plural form, we will change it to singular form. Now look, number A, the thief put the jewels in the sack. Now the underlined noun is thief. Now look at the word thief and the spelling THIEF, the word ends with F, and this is in the singular form. So what will be the plural form? How will you make it? Okay, let's think. I know all of you know the answer. Okay, now we will do exercise number 2, and of course you will mention the main number and the sub number. Now we start our next question number 2. Now A, so it is given here thief, and now we will make it plural. We know the thief is in the singular form, so THIEVES. We will drop F and we will add VES to make it plural. So this is our answer. Now number B. Now look, the kittens ran towards the gate. The kittens ran towards the gate. The word kittens is in the plural form. Now look, we add S to make it plural. Now we will make it singular. So it will be kitten. We will drop S. So the answer will be kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. We will not add s here. We will drop s. We will not write s because it is given in the plural form. Now we will make it to singular. Now we will go to number C. The bird flew towards the food. The bird flew towards the food. Now we will make it plural. The bird is in the singular form and we will make it plural. So how will you make it plural? We all know that we will add s to make it plural. So let's do it. Number C will be birds, B-I-R-D-S. So dear students, remember this one, we will add s to make it plural and you will follow this way. You will just write the answer. Now number D, the brushes were used to scrub the floor. The brushes. Now look at the word brushes, the underlined word brushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Now look, we add es to make it plural. So brushes is in the plural form. Now we will make it singular. So what will you do? We will just omit or we will drop es to make it singular. So our answer, the answer of D will be brush, B-R-U-S-H. Now look, this is our answer of answer number D, brush. Now go to number E. Now we will go to number E. The schools in the city are closed. The schools in the city are closed. Our underlined word is city and the word city is in singular form and it ends in Y. Now look at the word. At the end of the word you will find Y. So, and could you remember how will you make it plural? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. We will drop Y and we will add es to make it plural. So the answer of number E will be C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. Now number F, the children played with the cups, C-A-L-V-E-S. And we all know that if the word ends with F or F-E, we drop F or F-E, we drop the letter F or F-E and then we add V-E-S to make it plural. And now look, C-A-L-V-E-S. So it is in the plural form. Now we will change it to singular form. So what will be our answer? Yes, I know all of you are very intelligent and you know the answer. So it is C-A-L-F, cow. That means the baby cow. Now we will go to number G. Put the toys in the box. Put the toys in the box and the underlined word is box. And if the word ends in X, we all know that we will just add es to make it plural and the word box is in the singular form. Now let's change it to plural form. So number G will be boxes, B-O-X-E-S. We will just add es to make it plural. So A, thieves, B, kitten, C, birds, D, brush, E, cities, F, cup and G, boxes. So there we have done 2 exercises from lesson 2. This is our revision class. And dear students, if these questions come into your exam, you will follow this way. You will write your answer like this. And I repeat, you must mention the main question number and the sub question number. And dear students, this exercise is your homework. Now look, it's given here HW16. You will do this exercise. Okay, exercise number 1 will be your homework. Okay, this exercise will be your homework. All of you will do it as your homework. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM in the school library. So dear students, all of you listen to your parents and study regularly. See you again. Allah Hafiz.